my way back to work. We having 50-mile-an-hour gust, and we got this nasty ass storm coming in. Worst part about it is it's only supposed to be for a short while, but I'm still like 3 miles away from work, so, and this shit is coming in quick. I was told I had like an hour, and damn sure don't. Oh man. I still gotta get food. I had somebody ask me last night, or not last night, the night before, why don't I just power each gear? And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get shift happy, especially with this quick shifter. Got shit blowing all over the road here. Look at this. Madness. I personally don't mind riding in the rain. Shit doesn't bother me. But I'm not wearing my jacket, because I was just planning on doing a quick vlog, and that didn't happen. Oh yeah, I gotta give another shout out to Nick Marino, man. The other night when we were out racing, and holy hell, second gear, oh god, my side is killing me. Second gear really opened up again. Like, mind you, since I've had it, it has not been the same bike at all. But like, I hit like a new power band Saturday night, and holy shit, I'll be honest, it scared me. Again, Nick Marino, you're the best. You're the fucking best, man.
You're the fucking best. You're the fucking best. Bartender, for my friend, a drink.
I wonder if I can order food. Actually, never mind. Sorry. How dare I? How dare I? Especially when Chick-fil-A is right around the corner.
A few moments later.
Oh man, that looks nasty over there. Hey, what's up, buddy?
Can't figure out what you're driving, a truck, motorcycle?
Yeah, I know. I'm all screwed up. So, when I get to the window, say to my camera. No, that's better. A spice deluxe with Kobe Jack cheese and a medium fry, and that's it. A spice deluxe with Kobe Jack cheese.
A spice deluxe with Kobe Jack cheese. A spice deluxe with Kobe Jack cheese.
Really, nigga?
Alright, later, taters. Woohoo! That is not a fucking Jaguar. That is a goddamn Buick with Jaguar badges. Alright, bud, you're fucking playing with yourself. I gotta go. Oh, I got drops. Oh, I'm getting some droplets. Uh-oh. Oh, I may have got just squeezed back just in the nick of time. Oh, man. Starting to look so nasty out. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, guys, I am Ruby Shirley. I'm going to cash me outside on this one. Remember to share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at I am Ruby Shirley, all one word, just like my YouTube channel.
Share and subscribe to Ruby's channel. Peace.